Welcome to our Dolch Sight Words learning series. Today we're completing our final set of 4 in the pre-primer Dolch Sight Words. The Dolch words are the building blocks for early readers. Let's dive in and learn these important words together. Our first word is the word see. Now we'll use this word in a sentence. I can see a boat in the ocean. The word is see. Go ahead and write it down now. Let's check out your spelling. S-E-E-C. How'd you do? Our next word is the word the. Now we'll use this word in a sentence. The dad is sleeping on the sofa. The word is the. Time to write this word down. Go ahead and check out your spelling now. T-H-E, the. Our next word is the word three. Now we'll use this word in a sentence. I have 3 cookies in my bag. The word is 3. Go ahead and write this one down. Go ahead and check out your spelling now. T-H-R-E-E, 3. Our next word is the word to. Now we will use this word in a sentence. We are going to the park. The word is to. Go ahead and write it down now. Let's check out your spelling. T-O, to. How'd you do? Our next word is the word to, but this time it's the number 2. Let's use this word in a sentence. I have 2 goldfish in my aquarium. The word is to. Take a moment to write it down. Let's check out your spelling. T-W-O, to. Our next word is the word up. Now we will use this word in a sentence. Look up at the stars in the sky. The word is up. Please go ahead and write this one down. Let's check out your spelling. U-P, up. How'd you do? Our next word is the word we. Now we'll use this word in a sentence. We are going to have a picnic. The word is we. Go ahead and write it down now. Let's check out your spelling now. W-E, we. I bet you did great. Our next word is the word where. Now we'll use this word in a sentence. Where is my teddy bear? The word is where. Time to write this word down. Let's go ahead and check out your spelling now. W-H-E-R-E, where. Our next word is the word yellow. Let's use this word in a sentence. The car is bright yellow in color. The word is yellow. Go ahead and write this one down. Let's check out your spelling. Y-E-L-L-O-W, yellow. I bet you did great. Our next word is the word you. Now we'll use this word in a sentence. Can you please help me with my homework? The word is you. Go ahead and write it down now. Let's check out your spelling. Y-O-U, you. In today's session, we explored the essential first steps in language learning with the final 10 words from the pre-primer Dolch word list, emphasizing their practical use in spelling. Thank you for joining us on this educational journey. Please subscribe and press the like button to help support our channel. Please be watching for more Dolch words in this series on the Meadow School channel. We'll see you next time. Thanks.